A better life, a better you. It's closer than you think. We all have dreams and aspirations, yet sometimes they feel just out of reach. But what if there was a way to bridge that gap, to effortlessly step into the reality you desire? A way to create change, not through force or struggle, but through a simple, almost magical shift in your mindset. It may sound too good to be true, but it's a power we all possess. The power to transform our lives, starting today. So let's get ready to discover the key to unlocking your true potential, a hidden gem that's been within you all along. It's a technique so simple, so accessible, it might surprise you. Forget complicated rituals or endless hours of self-help books. This is about tapping into the power of your own mind, the very essence of who you are. Imagine a life where your desires effortlessly manifest, where your dreams become your reality. Sounds incredible, right? But it's not about wishful thinking or waiting for luck to strike. It's about understanding how your thoughts shape your world and learning how to harness that power. This technique isn't about adding more to your plate. It's about working smarter, not harder. It's about shifting your perspective, changing the way you see yourself and the world around you. And the best part? It's not some exclusive secret reserved for a select few. It's available to everyone, including you. You see, your mind is a powerful creator. Every thought you have, every emotion you feel, is a brushstroke on the canvas of your life. But often, we unconsciously paint a picture of limitations, of lack, of struggle. We get caught in patterns of negativity that hold us back from our true potential. What if you could change that? What if you could learn to direct your thoughts, to focus on the positive, on the possibilities? This technique is your guide, your roadmap to a brighter future. It's about rewiring your brain, creating new neural pathways that lead to abundance, joy, and fulfillment. It's not about denying the challenges of life, but about facing them with a new sense of confidence and resilience. It's about realizing that you are not a victim of circumstance, but the architect of your own destiny. This technique is your secret weapon, a tool that empowers you to create the life you desire. It's not about becoming someone you're not, but about becoming the best version of yourself. It's about discovering the limitless potential that lies dormant within you, waiting to be unleashed. So, are you ready to step into your power? To accept the possibility of a life filled with abundance, joy, and purpose? The journey starts now, and it's easier than you might think. At its core, this technique is about the power of visualization and feeling. It's like planting a seed in your mind's garden and nurturing it with focused attention and positive emotions. Just as a seed needs water and sunlight to grow, your desires need your mental focus and emotional energy to blossom into reality. The first step is to get clear on what you truly want. It's not about listing off a laundry list of superficial desires, but about identifying the core values and experiences that would make your life more fulfilling. What brings you joy? What makes you feel alive and purposeful? Once you have a clear vision of your desired outcome, the next step is to visualize it in vivid detail. Imagine yourself already living that reality. See it, feel it, taste it, smell it. Engage all your senses to make the experience as real as possible. But visualization is just the beginning. The key is to infuse your vision with emotion. How would it feel to achieve your goal? Would you feel excited, joyful, grateful? Tap into those emotions and let them amplify the power of your visualization. The final step is to let go and trust. This doesn't mean giving up on your dreams, but rather releasing the need to control the outcome. Trust that the universe has your back, that things are unfolding in perfect timing. This technique might sound simple, but it's backed by solid scientific principles. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections, plays a crucial role. When you repeatedly visualize your desired outcome and infuse it with positive emotions, you're essentially rewiring your brain to focus on the positive and to attract the experiences that align with your vision. Priming is another important factor. By immersing yourself in the feeling of already having what you want, you're priming your mind to notice opportunities and resources that can help you achieve your goals. You become more receptive to synchronicities and serendipitous events that guide you on your path. This simple yet powerful technique can be seamlessly woven into your daily life. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and let your body and mind relax. Now, focus on what you truly desire. Is it a career change, a loving relationship, or a sense of inner peace? Allow yourself to dream big and envision the life you want to create. Bring this vision to life in your mind's eye. Imagine yourself living that reality, experiencing the joy, success, or fulfillment you crave. Make it as vivid and detailed as possible, engaging all your senses. As you immerse yourself in this experience, let the associated emotions well up inside you. Feel the excitement, gratitude, and contentment as if it's already happening. Repeat this practice daily, allowing it to become a cherished ritual. Over time, you'll notice a shift in your thoughts and feelings, aligning with your desired outcome. And as you consistently nurture this mental and emotional connection, you'll start attracting the experiences, opportunities, and people that can make your vision a tangible reality. As with any new practice, you might encounter some bumps in the road. Doubts might creep in, or you might find it difficult to stay consistent. This is a journey of self-discovery and growth. If you find yourself questioning the effectiveness of this technique, start small. Focus on manifesting something that feels achievable, like a positive interaction with a colleague or a delicious meal. As you witness the power of your thoughts and feelings, your belief in the process will naturally deepen. Consistency is key, but don't beat yourself up if you miss a day or two. Life happens. Simply pick up where you left off and continue your practice with renewed enthusiasm. The most important thing is to remain open to the possibilities and trust in the unfolding of your journey. And if you feel discouraged by a lack of immediate results, recall that change takes time. Just as a seed needs time to germinate and grow, so too do your dreams. Focus on the positive emotions you're cultivating, knowing that you're laying the groundwork for a brighter future. Now that you've taken the first steps toward a brighter future, let's talk about the power of consistency. Just as a single drop of water can create ripples in a pond, your daily practice of this technique can create a wave of change in your life. It's not about grand gestures or overnight transformations, but about the steady, unwavering commitment to nurturing your dreams. Think of it like tending to a garden. You wouldn't plant a seed and expect it to blossom into a vibrant flower overnight. It requires consistent watering, sunlight, and care. Similarly, your desired outcomes need your ongoing attention and positive energy to fully bloom. Each time you engage in this visualization practice, you're reinforcing the neural pathways in your brain associated with your goals. You're strengthening the connection between your thoughts, emotions, and actions, aligning them with the reality you wish to create. It's like training a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Consistency is not about perfection. It's okay to have days where your focus wavers or your doubts resurface. The key is to gently bring yourself back to the practice, reminding yourself of the power you hold within. Each day is a new opportunity to nurture your dreams and cultivate a mindset of abundance and possibility. Keep in mind that change doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process, a journey of self-discovery and growth. By consistently engaging in this technique, you're planting seeds of positive transformation that will blossom in due time. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and trust in the unfolding of your journey. As you make this practice a regular part of your life, you'll start to notice subtle shifts in your thoughts and feelings. You'll find yourself naturally drawn to opportunities that align with your vision. You'll attract the right people, circumstances, and resources to support your goals. Your confidence will grow, your fears will diminish, and your overall sense of well-being will improve. You'll become a magnet for the life you desire simply by harnessing the power of your own mind. The beauty of consistency is that it allows you to build momentum. Just as a snowball rolling down a hill gathers more snow and gains speed, your consistent practice will amplify your results and propel you toward your goals. So, commit to this daily ritual. Make it a non-negotiable part of your self-care routine. Treat it as a gift you give yourself, a sacred time to connect with your deepest desires and cultivate a life of joy, abundance, and purpose. So, are you ready to take the reins of your life and create a reality that truly reflects your dreams? It all starts with this simple shift in mindset, this powerful technique that's been waiting for you to discover. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the ideal circumstances. Start now, right where you are. As you set on this exciting journey, don't forget that you're not alone. Countless others have tapped into this incredible power and transformed their lives. You have the potential to do the same. Show your support for this message by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Let's create a ripple effect of positive change, one thought at a time.